All right, so we are working yet again on linear parent functions, and we need to talk about slope. Remember, slope is rate of change, and quite often we think about slope as being, is it falling as we read it from left to right? Is it climbing? Is my line climbing? Or is it falling as we read it from left to right? Of course, climbing means it's a positive slope, and if it's falling down, it has a negative slope. Now here, we're going to work on a comparison, determine if these lines that we have to work with are in the same direction or a different direction as our parent graph. Now, if you'll recall, our parent graph for a linear equation, y equals x, where m is 1 and b is 0. And of course, when we graphed it earlier, it should have a positive climbing slope. So now we need to compare this equation to each one of these. So working here with y equals 2x minus 3. Let's identify quickly what is the slope. The slope is a positive 2. So just like our slope for our parent function, they are both positive. Therefore, that means that they are moving in the same direction. So as they travel from left to right on our graph, they are climbing. Now let's look at the second one. We have y equals a negative 1/4 x plus 3. So our slope is a negative 1/4. So comparing that, we have a negative slope here. So that means it's falling down compared to our positive slope. So are they moving in the same direction? No, not at all. Our y, this green one rather, falling down as we travel from left to right. Working on this equation, y equals a negative 7/3 x. Right, so we have a negative slope. That means it's falling down. So compared to my parent function, they are moving in different directions. And finally, y equals 2/3 x plus 6. Our slope is a positive 2/3. So it means it's climbing 2 as it runs 3. Thinking about how it compares to our parent function, both slopes are positive. They are moving in the same direction. Now, if we were to go and look at this on Desmos, there are our 5 equations. So we have here in black is our parent function, y equals x. And then you can see how the different equations compare to the behavior of my parent function. So we have actually 2 of the different equations that are positive, so moving in the same direction. And we have 2, the green and the purple line, that are falling down, moving in a different direction. So there you have it, changes to the slope and how it changes the behavior of my linear equation.